In this video, I will show you how to use find and replace in Microsoft Word. So firstly, type your content. So now we have this content. Now to use find and replace in a home tab, click here. So this dialog box will open. Here you can find letter, word, numbers, what you need. Like you want to find from your document, word, video. In find, type video, and in replace you can replace with any word. Now you can replace all in just one click, or you can replace one by one like this. You want to replace all one by one in just one click, so click here, replace all. So you will see all done. We made 54 replacements in just one click. So this way guys, you can find and replace in your Word document. Just click here, and also guys, you can use the shortcut Control F. So you have this navigation. Here you will see result. So 56 places. We have this particular one. Type what you want to find here, and you will see the result here. You can check out result in heading, pages. So you have the preview how many pages had that particular word. Now to replace, click here and click on replace. Type what you find and type here what width you want to replace. So thanks for watching this very basic video to learn how to find and replace in Microsoft Word. Share, like and subscribe this channel.